Digital life surrounds us every day. Phones, apps, websites, platforms, accounts, settings. We use them constantly. Yet many English learners know how to use digital tools without knowing how to talk about them comfortably in English. This creates a strange gap. You understand the action, but the words feel unclear. This session focuses on digital literacy vocabulary, not as a list, but as language you recognize, hear, and gradually absorb. These are words native speakers use naturally when they talk about online life, technology, and everyday digital actions. No memorization is required, just listening, recognition, and familiarity. Digital literacy does not mean being technical, it means being comfortable with the language of modern life. Let's begin with a simple idea. Most digital vocabulary is action-based, not technical. People rarely say complex terms. They describe what they do. They say things like, I logged in, I signed up, I updated the app, I deleted the file, I saved it. These phrases appear constantly. Logging in means entering an account. Signing up means creating one. Updating means installing a newer version. Deleting means removing something permanently. Saving means keeping something for later. These verbs are simple but powerful. Listen to how natural they sound together. I logged in and updated the app. I signed up, but I didn't finish the setup. I saved the file, then deleted the old one. This is everyday digital English. Now notice something important. People rarely explain the technology. They explain the experience. They say, the app crashed. The page didn't load. It froze. It stopped working. Crashed means it suddenly failed. Loaded means the content appeared. Froze means it stopped responding. These words are emotional and human. They describe frustration. Native speakers use them casually. My phone froze. The website crashed. The video didn't load. No technical knowledge is required to use them. Digital literacy vocabulary often reflects problems, not features. Now let's look at another common group of words, privacy and access. People talk about permissions, access, settings, notifications. Permissions control what an app can do. Access means the ability to enter or use something. Settings control behavior. Notifications are alerts. You hear sentences like, I changed my settings. I turned notifications off. I don't have access. It needs permission. These phrases appear at work, at home, everywhere. Notice the structure. Short, direct, action-focused. Now let's move to content-related words. Content is anything you see or share online. Posts, stories, comments, messages, uploads, downloads. Uploading means sending something online. Downloading means bringing it to your device. People say, I uploaded a photo. I downloaded the document. I posted a comment. I sent you a message. These verbs repeat constantly. Repetition creates familiarity. Now let's listen to how people describe behavior online. They say, I scrolled. I clicked. I tapped. I swiped. These words describe physical interaction. Scrolling means moving down a page. Clicking uses a mouse. Tapping and swiping use touchscreens. These verbs are very modern. I was scrolling and saw your post. I accidentally clicked the wrong link. I tapped the notification. This is natural digital English. Next, let's talk about accounts and identity. People talk about username, password, profile, account. They say, I forgot my password. I changed my username. My account was locked. I updated my profile. These phrases are universal. Everyone understands them. Now let's notice something important. Digital vocabulary often uses phrasal verbs: log in, log out, sign up, sign in, back up, set up. These verbs sound simple, but they carry meaning. Backing up means saving a copy. Setting up means preparing something for use. I backed up my files. I set up the new phone. These phrases appear everywhere. Now let's move to online safety language. People say, "It looks suspicious." "It might be a scam." "I don't trust that link." Suspicious means it feels unsafe. A scam means tricking people online. This language is emotional and intuitive. Native speakers use feeling-based words instead of technical terms. Now let's look at work-related digital vocabulary. Remote work uses phrases like, "I'm on a call," "I shared my screen," "The connection is bad," "You're muted." These phrases became normal worldwide. "You're muted" is now universal English. No explanation needed. Now notice how calm this language is. No pressure, no complexity, just shared experience. That is digital literacy. Digital literacy vocabulary is about confidence, not knowledge. You don't need to understand how the system works, you only need to describe what you see and feel. This is why listening matters. The more you hear these phrases, the more natural they become. You stop translating. You start recognizing. Recognition leads to use. Use leads to comfort. Comfort leads to fluency. Digital English grows quietly, not through study, through exposure. As you listen to English content online, notice how often these words repeat. They are everywhere. You already know them. You were just giving them space to settle. In future sessions, we can explore social media language, online work conversations, tech support English, and modern workplace vocabulary. For today, simple recognition is enough. Digital life already exists around you. The language is ready to follow.